Welcome back, everybody. You know, this morning I was getting ready to try to make, I've never made them before, the Pillsbury Grand donuts in the air fryer. Gave them a whirl, but you know what? It literally just tasted like a biscuit with a hole in it. Wasn't too impressed. Been meaning to try another recipe. We have all the ingredients. We've never done it before, so we're going to try it right now. Are you guys ready for s'mores pancakes? Let's give it a try. Blackstone range top combo. This is a 28-inch griddle top, and I'm set at around medium right now. I can't tell you how to set your griddle because you might have a 17-inch griddle with one burner or a big old, 36-inch Pro Series griddle, but you want to have it hot enough to cook a pancake. And I am joined here today by Jesse. Say hi.
Hi.
Levi.
Hi.
Natalie.
Hi.
And Aaron.
Hi.
Of course, I'm Todd. I have my pancake batter, made this about 30-40 minutes ago. It's really good when you're making pancakes or crepes to let the batter sit for a while. And what kind of pancake batter am I using? Oh, this stuff is from Sam's Club. Again, Sam's Club makes killer buttermilk pancake mix. That's, of course, Members Mark. So we have a bunch of it here. And what are we going to do to make these a s'more type of pancake? First thing we're going to do is put in some cinnamon. How much cinnamon, guys?
Lots. A lot.
There we go. So there's some cinnamon. It's a big batch here, folks. So I'm not going to tell you how much to use. You need to figure that out on your own. All right. So a little bit of cinnamon, and we can add more later if we want to, and some brown sugar.
I can add it for you.
Hold on a second. Put a little bit in there, please. All right. And next we have
graham crackers.
Hold on. Graham crackers. Let me cut these open, guys, and I'll let you guys pull them out. So when you're making s'mores, of course, graham cracker is like one of the #1 things that you can put in there. So here, why don't you, Natalie, break some of these up in there. Don't make them into like sand, but make them, pretty good size, nice and chunky.
Okay.
There we go. Now a little smaller. You want to crunch those up a little bit. All right, so this is our s'mores batter. It actually looks like s'mores, friends. If you think about what, like people that make s'mores desserts look like s'mores brownies, this looks to me like a s'mores brownie. We'll go ahead and break up one more in there like that. Can you run these around to the trash bag over there, Aaron? Thank you. On the bottom of the griddle. And let's see, one more dusting of the brown sugar. One more dusting of the cinnamon. This is what my s'mores batter looks like. So let's go over to the griddle top. Got over to the griddle and realized I forgot 2 key ingredients, of course. One being our small marshmallows. Of course, these are s'mores pancakes. So let's put some of those in there. We're going to save the rest of these for the topping. But let's put enough in there so we know we have s'mores theme going on, and my semi-sweet chocolate chips. All right, guys, save those for later. There we go. Now we're talking s'mores. I got so obsessed with the fact that I needed to have cinnamon in there and a little brown sugar that I forgot the chocolate and the marshmallows. I think that's enough to get it started. And now that's the s'mores batter that when I was mixing earlier, I thought, we're missing something. There we go. A little more like a Rocky Road ice cream consistency right there. Trial and error here today, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever, never before attempted, by the way, we got the Blackstone non-stick griddle spray. S'mores pancakes, take 1. I've got a good feeling about this after my donuts failed this morning. There we go. This could be good and it could be bad. We'll see what happens. We're gonna do 2 the first time just to see what happens. Real time. When I'm doing pancakes, I like to use the older, the really super thin. Same thing goes for crepes. These are nice, and you can just slide those things across the griddle top. So here, let's get ready. Check out the first one. Yikes, we're ready to flip. We're ready to flip. Here we go. And wow! Here we go. This one's ready. Ow! The first ever successful flip, the first ever flip of a s'mores pancake here at our house. So we got a thick pancake here. We don't want the outside to get burned while the inside is still, you know, all wet. Grab one of our baking sheets, or any cookie sheet for that matter, and pull those off. Of course, the pancakes are not done in the center yet. Pull them off like this, and you can set them aside over here, allowing the inside temperature of those pancakes to come on up. All the while, you're making more s'mores pancakes. We can even close this for 30 seconds or so. It's been 30 seconds or so, so let's open the griddle top. Hopefully, oh yeah, everything's looking perfect. You want to be really quick with pancakes, friends. The worst thing is to have a pancake that's like blackened on the bottom. Hopefully you can see that. Look at that right there. Okay. The two spatula technique works really good for this, because that way your pancake won't fall apart. This is what it looks like over in s'mores pancake world. These pancakes are continuing to cook, and now we can do the same thing with these s'mores pancakes right here. Wow, these are like the picture perfect. Look at that, quintessential pancake. Slide these over. So we have, of course, we're doing FIFO, first in, first out. Older, newest, and we'll get one more batch going over here. This is one of the main reasons why I don't like to use the pancake batter dispenser, because I always like to add things to my pancakes. And of course, none of this would pass through a pancake batter dispenser. There we go, there's 2 pancakes right there. These pancakes are hanging out over here in the warming zone, in the Tovin zone. Of course, Tovin zone t-shirts coming real soon. So here is our first stack of s'mores pancakes. The first stack ever. How do we want to top this off, friends? Let's see here. I think some of those marshmallows. We got marshmallows in there. Don't want to put too many on there, but there's some of the marshmallows right there. How about some chocolate chips, Natalie? Looking good. A few more in the middle, maybe. And next, I'm going to put a little bit of dark chocolate syrup on there, like so. And then Jesse, what I want you to do is, I want you to do the same thing, but I want you to do it in this direction. Just fine. Yeah, go ahead.
Squeeze it.
You get it all on there? Here, I'll try some. So I suppose you could do butterscotch or this caramel syrup for this final step. Put this cut edge kind of down in there like this. Kind of poke a few of them in like that. Why don't you do one like right over here somewhere? Yeah, that's perfect. Maybe even a little extra syrup dripping down those graham cracker mountains. Dig in, kids. Now don't destroy it. Save some for me. Oh yeah, there we go. First time ever. We did not practice this. I was a little concerned. I thought maybe the marshmallows, you know, would turn to mush, but they're perfect. They are, they look like when you get one of those little, oh, is it a snickerdoodle or a s'mores brownie? Just so good. All right, here's our second stack right there. Let me think about what order I did this in. I think I put marshmallows on there first. Was that right or wrong? I don't remember. So marshmallows on there, followed by some of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. I myself would prefer to use dark chocolate, but I wanted to relate to a lot of you folks out there who you like semi-sweet. Let's see, next we're gonna go with the dark chocolate sauce this way. The caramel, and again, you could probably use butterscotch. to crisscross it like that. And at the end, I like to do my little mountains of graham cracker. I suppose if you wanted to, I suppose you could even sprinkle a little more extra cinnamon on there. And what did I do last time? That's right, I like to put a little bit of chocolate on my graham cracker mountains.
S'mores pancakes, they'll put the ram in the ramalama ding dong. Thanks for watching, everybody. And until next time, this is Todd and his family. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the s'mores pancakes.
My flat top is smoking.